Oh, hey kids, it's Mr. B and Banjo Bob.
Hey kids!
And today we're going to learn about shapes. You know, there's so many different kinds of shapes. There's 2D shapes and there's 3D shapes.
Well, Mr. B, how do you tell the difference between a 2D shape and a 3D shape?
That's a great question, Bob. 2D means two-dimensional. Can you try saying that? Two-dimensional.
Two-dimensional.
Very good, Bob.
Thank you.
Two-dimensional means the shape goes two ways. Take a look at this square. It goes two ways. It goes side to side, and it goes up and down. One way, two ways. This shape is two-dimensional.
Wow!
Now a 3D shape goes three ways. It also goes side to side. It goes down and up. And it also goes from back to front. Back to front. Did you catch that, Bob?
Yeah.
A 3D shape goes side to side.
Oh.
Up and down.
Oh.
And back to front.
Wow.
Another way to test if a shape is 2D or 3D is to see if it's flat. Because if it's flat, it's a 2D shape. Let's try the circle first. Turn it over. Take a good look. That looks pretty flat to me. A circle must be a 2D shape. Now let's try the sphere. Rotate it over. This sphere is still pretty puffy and full. It must be a 3D shape. We can further experiment with the flatness of a shape by doing the clapping test. Are you ready for that, Bob?
You bet.
Remember, if the shape is flat, it's a 2D shape, and you should still be able to clap. Now let's try the 3D shape. Oh no, the 3D shape is too puffy. It sticks out too much. I can't clap. Sorry, Bob. The music's over.
Oh.
If you're still not sure if a shape is 2D or 3D, there is one more way to test. But leave this one to me, because it's kind of dangerous, all right? It's called the sit test. Here's what's going to happen. Bob's going to put a shape behind me, and I'm going to sit down. If it's a 3D shape, I should be able to sit, because 3D shapes are full and they stick out. But if it's a 2D shape, I might be in some trouble. Are you ready, Bob? Give me the first shape.
Okay, Mr. B. Here comes a sphere.
Oh, wow. A sphere must be a 3D shape. It sticks out three ways and keeps me off the ground. Thanks, Bob.
Good job, Mr. B. How about another one?
Yep, Bob, I'm ready. Give me the next shape.
Okay, Mr. B. How about a rectangular prism?
Whoa, rectangular prism must be a 3D shape because it kept me off the ground, Bob.
That's crazy.
It goes side to side, front to back, and up and down to keep me from falling.
Pretty cool, guys. Okay, Mr. B, time for the last shape.
I'm ready when you are, Bob. Give me the last shape.
Okay, kids, let's try a triangle. Oh, no! That definitely wasn't a 3D shape, Mr. B.
You're right, Bob. This was definitely a 2D shape. It only goes two ways. This way and this way, but it didn't come up, so I couldn't sit on it and I fell to the ground. It's so flat, I went down fast, Bob. I think I'm done with shapes for today.
Well, how about I play your favorite song and make you feel better?
That'd be great, Bob. Thanks.
Okay.
I do feel better. Man, I did have fun today, and I hope you did too. Now it's your turn to find some shapes and learn something. All right, boys and girls, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Alrighty, boys and girls. So go ahead and go to your book, chapter 12. We're starting chapter 12. We'll go to pages 686. So here you're going to go ahead and we're going to go over these to help you understand the shapes. Okay. So here we're going to go over here and help you understand the shapes. We are now doing three-dimensional shapes. So what is a three-dimensional? You watch the video. A three-dimensional shape has a front surface, a bottom surface, and a side surface. So this makes it solid. Three-dimensional shape, you can usually hold it, you can hold it in your hand. A two-dimensional shape is flat. Okay, so this is a cone. This is a cone. We see cones in a happy birthday hats, or we see them when you go to the ice cream, buy ice cream. You usually get it on a cone. This is a cube. We usually see these cubes like when we have dice. Okay. We also see them in a box. It can be this size. This is a cylinder. Okay. A cylinder is like a can. Okay. This is a ball that rolls down. If it rolls, it means it's a three-dimensional shape. This slides down. It's going down. And it's sliding down because it's a three-dimensional shape. This is a sphere. A sphere is like a ball. Okay? A sphere is like a ball and it's round all around. Go to the next page. Trace these. Let's see the vocabulary cards. Here we have a ball, and it tells us what this ball does. I want you to see. Here at the bottom, we can see if this ball either slides, rolls, or stacks. So this ball actually can slide if it's at an angle, or it can roll. Actually, it would roll because it's round, so it would roll. This is a cube. This one is gonna slide. You can also stack this up because you can put things on top of it. This one, you cannot stack them up because if you try to stack a ball on top of a ball, they're just gonna roll. This one is gonna be, the cylinder is gonna roll. You can also stack them up. And the cone is gonna, I would say it's gonna slide. You can slide it down. Okay, let's go to the next one. Shapes and cubes. So this is what we're gonna do. I want you to look at this shape. This is a three-dimensional shape, and this is like a ball. This is called a sphere. Okay, this is a sphere. I want you to look around your house and draw something that looks like the sphere. Okay, you're going to draw something that looks like a sphere. I am going to draw something I have here in my home, and I am going to draw a little globe. I have a globe. Sorry, I try to make it circle. Sometimes it's a little hard. My globe, I'm just going to make it try to look like a globe. My globe looks like a sphere. Then I have, this is a cube. What do I have that is a cube? Well, I have speakers that are like cubes. So you're going to go ahead and go around your house and you're going to go ahead and do your best to find something that is similar to this. So you're going to find one thing that is like a sphere and you're going to draw it. And then you're going to find another thing that's like a cube and you're going to draw it. Go to the next page. Ooh, look at all we have. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to name the shape of the object that you have. And then you're going to compare it to the other objects below it. Circle the one that is matching the object that is on top. So for example, number 1, it says sphere. This is a sphere. Look at the two objects. And then you're going to go ahead and circle the object that looks like the sphere. Go to number 2. This is a cube. Out of these two objects, the one that looks like a cube is this one. Okay, so you're going to do exactly the same thing for number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. And I know that this is easy peasy because you have been doing this in the classroom. Okay, so number 9, this is what you're going to do for number 9. You're going to name the shape of the planet. So find the shapes on this page, and then you're going to go ahead and name them. So, and then you're going to identify the parts of the rocket that is shaped like a cube. Find the shapes on the page. Draw a line from those shapes to the rocket. So you're going to go ahead, and I'm just going to think this is easier if you draw, connect them. Which ones are with each other? Just connect them. That would be connect all the cubes with the cubes and all the circles with the circles.